this is Opinion Radar. If you're anything like me, a busy, on-the-go kind of gal who still wants to look cute without sacrificing comfort, then swimsuit season can feel like a never-ending struggle. Finding that perfect balance between style, support, and staying power is no joke. Today, I'm diving into a swimwear style that's been getting a lot of buzz lately, the Tankini. Specifically, the Aleumdr women's Tankini, which showed up quietly on my radar and quickly made me reconsider everything I thought I knew about modest yet flattering swimwear. Priced at just $30, it promises to blend the coverage of a one-piece with the flexibility of a two-piece. And let's be real, that sounds like swimsuit marketing 101. But after wearing it through pool days, beach walks, and even a surprise splash fight with my niece, I actually get the hype. So grab your sunscreen and a cold drink, because I'm breaking down every detail, comfort, fit, style, and yes, even the little flaws, coming up next. Okay, so I recently picked up the Aleumdr women's Tankini, and honestly, it's been such a game changer for my beach and pool days. I've always struggled to find swimsuits that feel supportive without being constricting, especially around the chest and tummy area, and this one gets it. The top has this really smart shelf bra design that offers amazing support, no wires, but it still holds everything in place so well. I'm someone with a larger chest, and usually I end up doing the tug and adjust dance throughout the day, but not with this one. The adjustable straps stay put exactly where I set them, which is kind of a miracle in my book. And the fabric? Thick, quality material that feels sturdy but still stretches enough to slip on comfortably. It gives that gentle hold-me-in effect without making you feel like you're squeezing into a sausage casing, which, come on, we've all been there. What really sold me is how flattering the cut is, especially around the midsection. The tummy control is subtle but effective. It smooths everything out without the obvious compression look that can sometimes scream shapewear. The top has a slightly longer length, which I think is intentional to help hide the tummy, and for someone like me with a more average torso, it's perfect. It drapes just right and doesn't ride up when I'm lounging or walking around. That said, I could see how it might feel a little too long if you have a shorter frame, maybe something to keep in mind if you're petite. But overall, the silhouette is so elegant. The scallop trim along the top adds such a cute, feminine detail that makes it feel a little more stylish than your average tankini. It's one of those suits you can throw on a cardigan or a beachy skirt and feel put together instantly. I also appreciate the full coverage the suit offers, both on top and bottom. The top gives complete bust coverage, no nip slip worries, which is a huge confidence booster, especially when you're bending over to grab a beach towel or getting in and out of a pool. The back sits high enough to avoid any back fat overflow, which, let's be real, is a total win. And the bottoms? High cut but still modest, offering great cheek coverage without going bikini level. They're not super high-waisted, but they do a nice job of skimming over the hips and upper thighs. I'm about 5 feet 5 inches and wear a medium, and it fit true to size for me. Snug but not tight. The fabric has enough stretch to move with you, so whether you're doing yoga on the sand or just stretching out on a lounge chair, it moves with your body comfortably. Now let's talk color because wow, the shade I got. Gorgeous. It's this rich mocha brown, not too dark, not too warm. Just a really flattering neutral that makes my skin tone look sun-kissed, even when I haven't seen the sun in weeks. I love wearing brown in general, but finding swimwear in that palette can be tricky, so I was thrilled when this one popped up. The overall aesthetic is so chic and low-key elegant, perfect for resort days, lazy pool lounging, or even a tropical vaki. I've already had compliments every time I've worn it, and that's always a good sign. The construction feels solid, seams are neat, and nothing feels flimsy. For $30, the quality is way above what you'd expect. I've hand washed it a few times now, and it's held up really well. No fading, no stretching out. Of course, it's not totally perfect. No product is, right? I did notice a small inconsistency with the elastic in the back of the bottom piece. One side felt a tad looser than the other. It doesn't affect wearability, but as someone who notices little details, it did stand out. It's not a deal breaker by any means, but it's something I'd mention just to keep expectations realistic. Also, while the tummy smoothing feature works great for people with a bit of softness there, if you're slimmer through the waist, it might create a slight floating effect, like it did for a friend I lent it to. So it's definitely more suited for those who want that camouflaging effect rather than super sleek, body-hugging lines. All in all, this Aleumdr Tankini has earned a permanent spot in my summer rotation. It's comfortable, stylish, and actually functional in all the ways that matter. The kind of suit that makes you feel put together without trying too hard. I love that it's practical for active days, but still feels cute enough for cocktails by the water. I'm seriously considering grabbing another one in a different color because honestly, for 30 bucks, that's a steal for this much versatility and confidence boost. Whether you're dealing with swimwear insecurity, need extra support, or just want something that feels good and looks great, this one's a solid pick. It's like your favorite security blanket, but make it beachwear. If you're ready to dive into confidence and comfort this swim season, the Aleumdr Tankini might just be your perfect poolside partner. Don't let great swimwear scare you off. Take the plunge. Hit that like button if you're all about feeling secure and stylish. And subscribe for more real talk reviews that help you shop smarter. See you in the next video. Sunscreen applied and cutoffs on.